Okay, now let's turn on these LEDs by using this push button. Okay, and I'm going to turn on the LED which is connected to pin number 6 and pin number 12 of my Arduino board. Okay, so let's drag two LEDs in our front panel. LED 1, let's increase its size, which is connected to pin number 6. Okay, so let's increase its size, font size, pin number 6 and pin number 12. Alright, we will turn on these two LEDs by this push button. So let's keep this increment value also. Alright, now go back to your program. Here's my block diagram and it is my previous code. So here are my two LEDs. Alright, and drag your code, drag your while loop. Okay, that's perfect. Now let me adjust these shift register or my default value. Okay, now drag your initialization, Arduino initialization from Arduino library and Arduino close. Okay, first of all assign the COM port by just clicking on visa resource where it defines my COM port. Now we need to declare our LEDs. So it goes to select digital input output pins. Okay, so connect the Arduino resource and error out. I mean, my LED is connected to pin number 6 and its mode is an output mode. Sorry, it behaves as an output now. Now let's declare another LED. Let's connect the Arduino resource for communication protocols, which is connected to pin number 12 and it behaves as an output. Okay, now we need to write the values. Alright, and you have connected your push button and you have also incremented your push button. Okay, but we need only two values, either 0, either 1. Okay, let me increase its size, COM port size, let's say 36. Okay, now come to here. Now we need only two values. Okay, either 0, either 1. So we will get this value from here. Now how do we get the value? Just click right here and select your question and remainder. Alright, now what it will do, we will divide the result, incremental result, by a constant 2 and it will return us remainder or quotient also, but we need here remainder, which will give only two values, 0 or 1. Alright, so let's check it out how it gives us result. Let's divide it with 2 and here's our result. Okay, here's our result, original result. Alright, for time being let me connect my Arduino resource and error out. Alright, so here's my result. Let's increase its size also. Okay, if you hit this run button, just notice your result. You need to remove this add delay time first. Sorry. Okay. Alright, here you are getting only two values, either 0, either 1. Okay, and now you can use these two values. Alright, so during 0 you want to turn off your LED. So select your case structure. Here's my case structure, and here's my case selector. So my case selector will decide the values. But here I need only two values, either 0 or either 1. Okay, 0, 1. Let's create another case and make it default. Okay, where is the default? Alright, now during 0 we want to turn off our LED. So go to Arduino and select digital write pin. Alright, connect Arduino resource and error out. Now here we need to declare our costing pin, which is 6, and here we need to declare the costing, which is 0, because we want to turn off our LED in 0 state. Which is pin number 12. This is my another pin. Here we also want to turn off these LEDs. Okay. Sorry. Alright. During 1 we want to turn on these two LEDs. Okay. You have to just write the value either 1 either 0. Alright, and your default case will never come, so we'll connect these terminals directly. Alright, now you also want to display the LEDs in virtual screen also here. So you need two extra functions called digital read. Okay, so it will read pin number 6. Okay, and it will read pin number 12. Alright. Okay, now if my value means pin number 6 is 1, if it reads 1, this is my equal to operator. Okay, if it reads 1, then my LED should turn on. Alright, and if pin 12 also read 1, again my LED should turn on. Alright, now connect your final Arduino resource and error out. Alright, okay, now here's my code. Go to your it's still displaying error. What's my error? Oh, sorry, I forgot to connect these two terminals. Okay, now it's done. Alright, now go back to your front panel. Oh, okay, so we don't need this right now. Alright, okay, refresh your COM port first. I haven't connected my Arduino board, so let me connect my Arduino board first. Here's my Arduino board. Alright, COM 3. Now hit run. Alright, If you press this button, the LED is turned on, off. Okay, that's it. This is your increment value, which will increment up to so on until we press this stop button. Alright, now sole operation is done by this remainder and quotient function. Okay, because this function is returning us only two values, either 0, either 1. Alright, so that was it. Now let's do our next exercise. Okay.